Hello everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Sanjay and I am a Microsoft MVP. Today in this video we will discuss some of the important points that has been announced in Microsoft Ignite in November 2021, right? So this November, on 2nd November and 4th November, there was an Ignite event from Microsoft and so many features are announced. So I have just figured out 7 important points that I want to discuss right now. Although we cannot cover, there are so many announcements and features included in the Ignite event, but I just want to discuss 7 points that is most important. So let's get started. So the first feature that has been announced in Microsoft Ignite is Microsoft Loops, one of the most brilliant invention or brilliant feature that will combine and that will be more powerful and flexible canvas with portable components that move freely. You will have a page and you can move one component to another and throughout the page. Like if you see here in the Microsoft Loops, you can see here, this is the Microsoft workspace, loop workspace, which will give you a workspace kind of experience that you can drag and drop different types of components. This is actually built on fluid components, which is very, very elegant and very, very beautiful component design, right? So this is called as Microsoft Loop workspace. You can also see how you can use Microsoft Loop in pages. You can drag and drop different types of list components in different areas on the page. Also you can create some components, like you can create some voting tables that you can share with your team and instant notification you can get, right? So this kind of workspace, and so you can collaborate. This is a kind of collaboration between different types of applications in one screen, and you will feel more comfortable working on this Microsoft Loop whenever you work on different business applications in one page. So this is one of the greatest big thing that announced, called as Microsoft Loop. Now next is ContextIQ. ContextIQ, which is a set of capabilities that will further integrate collaboration, and we can enhance the sharing, enhance the communications in the flow. Whenever we work in different business applications like Dynamics 365, Office 365, Microsoft Teams, and Microsoft 365, so all these applications are interrelated, and whenever you type anything on the Outlook, then the relevant topic or the contextual information will be given to you so that you can put it. Here you can see whenever I am writing a Outlook mail, this is giving me suggestion that what data you can keep it on a mention of this email body, right? So this is called as contextual or ContextIQ, which will give you more suggestion and more relevant information that you want to attach in your email, right? And you can also use Microsoft Editor. This ContextIQ can be used in Microsoft Editor so that it is more powerful whenever Microsoft Editor is used with ContextIQ, right? So as I have told you, that this is a set of capabilities that will further integrate collaboration, sharing and communication in the flow of work across Dynamics 365 and other business applications. So this is another important topic that has been announced in Microsoft Ignite. Next, Mesh for Teams. Whenever we are working in Teams, you can enable the cartoon features or the models or artificial intelligence or robot models to represent you or your emotions, right? So Mesh for Microsoft Teams will enable a brand new experience that will come with personalized avatars. You can create your own avatar, immersive spaces, and you can create virtual reality concept in your Microsoft team. So many things it is coming, there is in Microsoft Teams Mesh. So users can connect to each other with their presence and have immersive shared experience through avatars, right? You are not necessary to show your photo or video. You can define a character or avatar that will behave like you, like that. So it is mesh for teams. It is another important topic that is announced. Next, Power Apps pay as you go. Previously, Power Apps subscription plan was there, $5 and $20, which is per app plan and per user plan. But now there is another plan, pay as you go plan, which is not a new concept in pricing area. This pay as you go plan is very popular in Microsoft Azure subscriptions. So now you can use Power Apps and you can pay for the Power Apps whenever you use it, right? Next, Power Apps mobile for iOS and Androids. Previously, you know that whenever you create mobile applications, mobile devices like Canvas apps or model-driven apps, it is actually accessible through Power Apps application. But now we can create independent mobile applications that we can download from well-known Play Stores or Google Stores, and that can be installed in our applications, right, in mobile devices. And no need to open Power Apps to open that specific app. Rather, it can be individually opened from the mobile app and can be downloaded from the app stores. Next important thing is bringing your own model. We have seen that AI Builder is another game changer, but AI Builder was limited to 6 to 7 modeling concept like form processing, object detection, so many things are there. But now you can create your own model and with your analysis and using your cloud applications, right? So this is another game changer that you can think of. The last but not the least is AI Builder features. In AI Builder, we can enhance the extracting the information using checkboxes. If your form having some checkboxes, you can extract the checkbox information through AI Builder. Like that, we can also use enhanced table tagging experience with new grid tagging, right? So these are the concept. Only here is only 7 concepts are there which is announced, but there are many concepts that is already enabled in Microsoft Ignite. If you go to news.microsoft.com and November 2021 Ignite, then you will see all the related topics of the Microsoft Ignite that has been announced are given here. Here you will find the official Microsoft blogs related to the Ignite announcements, books of news, and mesh for teams, event details, press pack, right? And you can also watch the CEO Satya Nadella's the keynotes. And if you want to find out any other information about the Ignite, you can go here and search it, right? So I always recommend be in touch in this Ignite news, because this gives more information about the upcoming feature of our business application services. So thank you for watching this video and see you in next time.